Ti sumarunong nga sumala, nalpasan dagiti side ni Jessa. Dahito nga sonata mo't kakabsat para kadagiti side ni Harrison. Iti Afalia. So, diya ka mo no niya ti apelyado ti mamang na, pero iti side iti Afalia. Okay. So, umuno na nga sumala, dagiti side iti Afalia. Pakitan tayo mamuti, naggidyatan ti Afalia kin Benito kano, di balasang ni Mrs. Afalia. Okay, so, dagiti side iti Afalia, isuda ti akin kukwa, iti dahito nga sonata. Isuda ti sumala. Dagiti side iti Afalia, dagiti papang ni Harrison, isuda ti sumala.
Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird sing. Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee, it's a new thrill. You're welcome as the flowers on the mockingbird hill. When the sun in the morning creeps over the hill and kisses the roses from our windowsill, and my heart fills with gladness when I hear the thrill of the birds on the tree ups on the mockingbird hill. Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird hill. Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on the mockingbird hill. When it's late in the evening, I climb up the hill and survey all my kingdom while everything's still. Only me and the sky and your old whippoorwill singing song in the twilight on the mockingbird hill. Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's hill. Tra-la-la, twiddle-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on the mockingbird hill. How much is that dog in the window?
Okay, so sa tayo nga lipupatan tilamisan kakabsat, agururay kada tayo. Okay, so diyaman kami, nagadudagayam. Yeah.